You really better say to me right now.
Hold on. Calm down. Hold on. All right. It's just me. Come in peace. It's me. Why you being so serious? Huh? It's me. It's Roman. It's me. Huh?
What the hell that got to do with me?
It has everything to do with me. Okay? Because right now, you ain't got nobody. Huh? Okay?
You think I bust my ass for all these years just to get here? Just think I bust my ass here to fall in line and listen to you?
Yes, you're right. You did bust your ass. Did Roman bust your ass? But you know who did make that call? Huh? Me. Listen. Me. Think about what I'm telling you, okay? Stop being. Okay? But did anyone come? Did the Usos call you? Did your boy Jacob call you? Did Roman call you? By the looks of it, he was the one that was calling you. But you know who did make that call? Huh? Me. Call? Me.